So in today's lesson, we are learning about trigonometry and modeling. In trigonometry and modeling, first thing we are going to learn about addition and subtraction formula of sine, cos and tan. So sine, cos and tan. So sine A plus B, we can write down sine A cos B and plus cos A sine B. Similarly, for sine A minus B, we can write down sine A cos B. If there is a minus sign, then it should be a minus sign here. Cos A sine B, right? Similarly, for cos A plus B, it is little different. Cos comes first, so it should be cos A cos B. If there is a plus sign, then it should be minus here, minus sine A sine B, and cos A minus B, it should be cos A cos B plus sine A sine B, right? And we can learn tan as well. Tan A plus B, that is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. This dot means multiply. And last one is tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A times tan B. Is that okay? So here's a question. If A is equal to P and B is equal to minus Q, and you need to show that sine P minus Q equal to sine P cos Q minus cos P sine Q. So if we apply sine A plus B formula, okay, sine A plus B formula says sine A cos B, if you see here, from sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So let's write down here sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, let's put the value. Our A is P and B is minus Q. So if you put here, so it should be sine P minus Q. Put A equal to P, so it should be sine P cos minus Q, because B is minus Q, plus cos P and sine of minus Q. Okay, so if you simplify this, it will be sine P. Instead of cos minus Q, what you can write? So here it is sine P cos of minus Q. So cos of minus Q, if you see here, we are here, negative direction. So we are here where I'm putting tick. So here cos will be positive. So cos of minus Q, we can write down cos Q. Please understand here why I'm putting asterisk sign. So cos of minus Q is cos Q. Now here it is cos P. Sine, because if you do here, add sugar to coffee, which is cast diagram. So we are in the cos house, negative. So sine will be negative. So we can write down here minus sine Q. Is that fine? Now, so let's write down the answer. It should be sine P cos Q, and this minus and this plus becomes minus, and we can write down cos P and sine Q. This is what they have asked you to prove this. Is that okay? Right? So this is what they have asked. So we know that sine A minus B formula. What is sine A minus B formula? Anybody can say? What is sine A minus B formula? And if it is minus, then it is minus sine cos A sine B. Is that okay? Now, they are asking you to use sine pi by 2 minus theta. So if you write down here sine pi by 2 minus theta, you can see here A is pi by 2 and B is theta. Is that fine? So just replace. Replace A is pi by 2 and B is theta. Is that okay? So let's put it sine A is pi by 2 and B is theta, cos A is pi by 2 and B is theta. Right? Now, sine pi by 2 means what? Sine 90. Thank you. And sine 90 value is 1. So this will be 1 times cos theta. What is value of cos pi by 2? That is cos 90. And cos 90 is 0. So it should be 0 times sine theta. Then this whole thing will be what? 0. What is left here? Cos theta. So we got here sine pi by 2 minus theta equal to cos theta. That's what they ask you to prove. Is that okay? So in this question, they want to express as a single sine function. So see, if we use this 15 as a and 20 as a B, so this is your 15 as a and 20 as a B. Remember, A is 15 and B is 20, right? So this is formula of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is formula of sin A plus B, right? And what is the A value? And what is B value? 20. So sin 15 plus 20 is what? Sin 35 degree. Okay. This is your answer. Okay. So this is question number 4. Tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta 1 minus tan 2 theta times tan 3 theta. Whenever we are putting dot, it means there is a time sign. Here also you need to express as a single tan function. Yeah. So if we suppose 2 theta as a and 3 theta as a B. So this is formula of tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A and tan B, right? And this tan A plus tan B formula is what? Tan A plus B. Is that okay? Yeah. If you see on the whiteboard, what is written there? Tan A plus B formula, right? So this is tan A plus B formula. Now, what is A value? 2 theta. B is 3 theta. So this you can write down tan 5 theta. That's your final answer. Okay.